The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. Debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the tool run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more as needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now I can remove the air filter. Before I can install the new air filter, I need to apply oil to it. The oil will trap dirt and debris so it doesn't get into the carburetor. To oil the filter, I'll place it in a plastic bag. Then I'll take some 2-cycle engine oil and pour a small amount onto the filter in the bag. I don't want to saturate the filter, just apply an even coat across it. I'll work the oil into the filter. Then I'll remove the filter from the bag and place it on a rag or a paper towel. Then I'll blot the excess oil out of the filter. Now I can install the filter onto the air filter base. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new air filter on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.